In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live webinar on GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Webinars can be a fantastic way to engage with your audience, share valuable information, and even promote your products or services. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, setting up a live webinar on GetResponse can be a game changer for your business. First things first, let's get you logged into your GetResponse account. If you don't have one yet, just head over to the GetResponse website and sign up. Once you're all set up and logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Now, to create your webinar, what you want to do is navigate to the Webinars section in your account. This is usually found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. When you click on it, you'll see an option to create a new webinar. Go ahead and click on that. Next up, you'll want to fill in some details about your webinar. Start by giving it a catchy title. This is what will grab your audience's attention, so think of something that resonates with them or their needs. Now, you also want to add a short description. This will help potential attendees understand what your webinar is about. Keep it concise but informative. Let them know what value they'll gain from joining. Once you've got your title and description sorted, it's time to set the date and time for your webinar. This part is crucial. You'll want to choose a time that works for your target audience. If you're appealing to a global crowd, consider using tools like world clocks to find a suitable combination. GetResponse also allows you to pick a recurring date if you plan to run the same webinar multiple times. Now, the next step is to customize your webinar settings. You'll notice a few options here, like whether you want to allow attendees to join with video, if you want to enable chat, or if you want to record the session. Recording your webinar is highly recommended, as it gives your attendees the chance to refer back to it later. Plus, you can repurpose that content for additional marketing later on. After you've configured your settings to your liking, it's time to take a look at the registration settings. GetResponse makes it easy to capture leads by allowing you to create a registration form right here. You can customize this form by adding fields that you think are important to gather information from your attendees. Common fields include their name, email address, and perhaps even their location or specific interests related to the topic of your webinar. Now, you'll want to promote your webinar to ensure you get enough attendees. Luckily, GetResponse provides you with a unique registration link after you create your webinar. You can share this link on social media, in your email newsletters, or even on your website. A good practice is to send personal invitations to your existing contacts and encourage them to share the link as well. As the date of your webinar approaches, make sure to send reminders to your registrants. GetResponse allows you to set up automated reminder emails, which is a great feature. You can set it to remind them a day before and again an hour before the live event. This will help boost your attendance rates. Finally, it's showtime. On the day of your webinar, log in to GetResponse a little early to ensure everything is working well. Familiarize yourself with the platform, check your audio and video, and prepare your presentation material. Engaging with your audience during the webinar is essential, so be prepared to answer questions and foster interaction. Once your webinar is done, take a moment to thank your attendees for joining. It's also a good idea to follow up with them via email. You can send a thank you note along with a link to the recording or any additional resources you mentioned during the session. And there you have it. You're all set to create and host a successful live webinar using GetResponse. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.